Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Git and an SSH key exist so authentication is seamless. First, install Git and generate an ed 25519 key. Then add the public key to your GitHub account. Once done, open a terminal, navigate to your project's directory, and run git clone using the SSH URL. This gives you a local copy with history. Make sure file permissions are correct on your private key, and that SSH agent is running so future pushes won't prompt repeatedly. You now create a focused branch and iterate safely. Use git checkout B to branch, then edit code and run local tests so changes are validated early. Stage meaningful hunks with git add p or add whole files with git add a. Commit often with concise messages to document intent. Once your branch is ready, run git fetch. Git rebase origin/main to keep history linear, resolve any conflicts, and test again before you push so remote integration stays clean and predictable. Finish by pushing your branch and opening a pull request for review. You'll respond to feedback, update commits if needed, and once checks pass, merge using the strategy your team prefers. After merge, pull origin main locally to sync, then delete the stale branch both remote and local to avoid clutter. If something goes wrong, check SSH permissions and credential helpers first. Ensure SSH agent has your key or switch to HTTPS credentials temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.